Looking to restore your dishwasher's performance? We've got the perfect solution. Reason 1. Genuine OEM quality ensures reliable performance and long-lasting durability. Reason 2. Seamless compatibility with multiple models, making installation hassle-free. Reason 3. Trusted replacement for WD21X29602, WD21X30999, and WD21X31001 parts. This control board is designed for experienced technicians and professional repairs. Say goodbye to dishwasher issues and hello to efficient, reliable functionality. High-quality components ensure your appliance runs like new after installation. Need to verify compatibility? Contact us for quick and accurate model checks. All returns must be in new condition. For refunds or exchanges, shop confidently. Don't wait. Restore your dishwasher today with the WD21X30998 control board. Click the link now to order and enjoy seamless dishwasher performance again.